it's Carol. I have a few things to show you you're gonna love. First, I want to show you this lampshade because I got so many questions about it. I did make this myself, the lampshade, and all I did was use Marabou, strips of Marabou that you get at Michael's or Joann's Craft Store. And it's so cute. Look at, isn't that cute? I put like 2 pink ones, and then I put white on the top and the bottom, and I just glued it with E600 glue. And look, it just came out so cute. And you could put it on any lampshade. By doing this, it just makes it so special and so fancy, right? And glamorous. So, the other thing I wanted to show you that was sent to me from Yves Saint Laurent through Octoly, I wanted to show it to you now because I am wearing it and it is fabulous. And the color I have, I believe it's 1.5. Let me just show you the color. I'm an olive, but not a dark olive. And this color, 1.5, is just perfect. So it wears well, it doesn't disappear. As the day goes on, it hasn't disappeared on me, and I just want to show you that I'm wearing it and it really is good. Now I want to show you the bangs, these bangs. I have on fake bangs today. I don't know, you might have thought, oh, she cut her bangs, she cut her hair. Nope, I put on the hairdo by Jessica Simpson and her celebrity stylist Ken Paves. And there's 3 clips. You just clip it right in. It's so cute. This happens to be a great color for me too. R6/30H. It is a chocolate copper medium red brown. It has a clip here, and a clip here. You can't feel it. You feel like you have your own bangs. I don't want bangs every day because they tend to look sloppy on me because I'm always hot. And I just want to push my hair away. So, for a little bit of time, they look good. This is the greatest little invention. And I'll put a link to hairdo down below. But it's great. It's a great color. They have all colors. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you part of my perfume collection. And I collected this through Scentbird. Scentbird is a monthly fragrance subscription. It is $14.95 a month, and if you subscribe now, I believe it's $2 cheaper. mLs, 8 milliliters, it's enough to last over a month. And I am going to show you my collection to show you that it lasts way over a month. They carry over 500 authentic scents, and Dolce & Gabbana, DKNY, Vince Camuto. Scentbird also feels that it's a life hack because you can indulge in all the high-end perfumes without really spending the money. You're spending a little bit every month and you're getting tons and tons of perfume to last you, I say, way over a year, because I'm going to show you something right now. I'm going to show you my own collection. I used to have a subscription. I canceled a lot of subscriptions when I moved just to get my budget in order. But these are some of the perfumes that I have collected. Now they're not even all empty. One is empty, one is getting empty, another one's getting empty. This one's full. This one's a third full. This one's a third full. You can indulge yourself in different scents every day, a few every day. You can carry them with you because they come in this case, and then you squirt like that, and then when you're done, you twist it, and it goes right back down. They have white, pink, copper, and brown. And they have black also. And several weeks ago, Scentbird reached out to me and said, hey, would you want to collab? We'll send you a couple of perfumes. You pick them out and show them on your video. And I said, okay, you know what? I really love this subscription. I have a ton of perfumes to show that I've purchased with my own money. So it's a good match. So they told me to pick out 3 scents. Now they come in these little black velvet pouches. And let's see, the 3 that I got was Acquiste by Sydney Rockpool. I mean, there's some different, unique designers you've never even heard of. Okay, this one is gorgeous. Woo, I love it. That is beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. You pick out your own perfumes and they send you one of them a month. So it's something that you have already done some research, you've looked at the notes, you've picked out something that you're curious about or something that you already know you like and you want to have a travel version. And then when it comes, you basically are going to love it because you picked it out. This one is by Judith Lieber and it's called Night. Ooh. Here we go. Oh. Whew. I know you probably think, why do I get so excited over perfume? It makes me happy. The scent, it just lifts my spirits. It makes me feel good. And I could just like sniff it whenever I want. Oh, this one's really good. Okay, the next one that I got was by Confessions of a Rebel, and it's called Get a Room. And I'll spray this up here. Can't wait to smell it because it could be so fabulous. It's going to make me so happy. Oh, that's great. Oh my gosh. And they have all the breakdowns, so, and all the styles, the woodsy, the floral, fruity, all different categories. You pick the category and then you could see what notes are in it. It's really great. If you have a love for perfumes, this is really great. And they have men and women's. In 1 month you could get a guy's cologne for your man. And 1 month you get it for yourself. So you could switch it up. It's really, really great. I want to thank Scentbird so much for sending me these 3. It was my pleasure to do the review. I just absolutely love it. Look at all the perfumes I have accumulated. Use coupon code OHCS30 and you'll get 30% off. That is the end of my video, and I am going to give a shout out to Susan Moore. Thank you, Susan. Thank you. I picked you because I read your comments and you make me feel good. You just are so nice, so sweet. I love you. Thank you so much for leaving me wonderful comments and for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. Today's shout out is for you, Susan Moore. And I want to say thank you all. Have a great week. I will see you in my next video. Remember, you are beautiful. And stay powerful, ladies. Powerful. That's good for you. Love you.